What's the one dried plant that interior designers are secretly obsessed with in 2025? Hint, it's not Pampas grass. After testing 20+ varieties, I found the top 5 that last longer, look expensive, and won't shed everywhere. And number 2? Total game changer for small spaces. All links below, let's dive in. Starting at number 1. Dried Pampas grass decor. Dried Pampas grass decor is a great way to add a touch of elegance and beauty to any room. The package includes 100 pieces of Pampas grass, reed grass, white and brown Pampas grass branches. The grasses are carefully selected and packaged to avoid deformation and breakage. They are fluffy and soft, and can be left in the sun to make them even more fluffy. The grasses are 17 inches in height and are perfect for small and medium-sized vases. They make a great gift and come pre-packaged in a gift box with a maintenance card. Number 2. CZCTLUL Pampas Grass Bundle. The CZCTLUL Pampas Grass Bundle includes 100 pieces of beautiful dried flowers, each measuring 17 inches long. You can easily trim them to fit your favorite vase, making it simple to customize your decor. When you first receive them, gently shake the grass to help revive its fluffiness after shipping. For the best results, place them in sunlight. This will enhance their softness and volume. These natural ornaments are perfect for creating stunning centerpieces for weddings or home decor, allowing you to unleash your creativity in DIY projects and floral arrangements. Number 3. Glicrili Eucalyptus Stem Shower Bundle. The Glicrili Eucalyptus Stem Shower Bundle is the perfect way to transform your shower into a luxurious spa experience. Made from 100% natural and fresh eucalyptus leaves, this bundle not only adds a beautiful touch to your bathroom decor but also releases essential oils when exposed to steam, providing a rejuvenating and relaxing experience. The preserved eucalyptus leaves have a healing scent that encourages relaxation, relieves anxiety, soothes asthma, and clears your mind. With around 30 stems in each pack, these durable and flexible stems can be easily incorporated into any floral arrangement, making it a versatile and long-lasting addition to your home. Whether you're looking to create a calming shower environment or enhance your flower arrangements, the Glicrili Eucalyptus Stem Shower Bundle is the perfect complement. Number 4. Pasuvsigt Dried Eucalyptus Stems. Indulge in a spa-like experience with Pasuvsigt dried eucalyptus stems. This collection of 128 mixed real dried eucalyptus stems, lavender, and rose flower sachet bundles is perfect for creating a soothing home spa atmosphere. The carefully selected and naturally dried eucalyptus, lavender, and roses release invigorating scents when exposed to steam, promoting relaxation and rejuvenating your senses. The eucalyptus stems, lavender, and roses not only provide a delightful fragrance but also serve as versatile decorative pieces for various settings. They can be used as wall hangings, wedding bouquets, or party decorations, adding warmth and comfort to any space. Treat yourself or your loved ones to the ultimate relaxation and stress relief with Pasuvsigt dried eucalyptus stems. Number 5. Naunauya Boho Pampas Grass Decor. Naunauya Boho Pampas Grass Decor includes a 110-piece bouquet of dried Pampas grass, bunny tails, dried eucalyptus, and mixed leaves. The 14 to 17-inch bouquet, air-dried and treated, is perfect for various decorations. The boho decor is ideal for weddings, parties, and table settings, creating a romantic and natural ambience. With no watering needed, these dried flowers are low maintenance and can be exposed to sunlight for a fluffier appearance. Additionally, the different grass types allow you to create stunning floral arrangements effortlessly. So, which dried plant are you adding to your home? Tag me in your decor pics, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Because next week, I'm revealing the biggest dried plant mistakes that ruin your vibe. All product links below. Go make your space Insta-worthy.